We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pick 'em up off the lawn, it'll be alright. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pull 'em out of the bushes and down from the trees.